Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the date and month on Windows 10. Whether you're troubleshooting, traveling, or just fixing a wrong time setting, this guide has you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's use the Settings app. Press the Windows key +E to open Settings. Then click on Time and Language. Here, you'll see the date and time option on the left. If your time is set automatically, toggle off. Set time automatically. Now, click Change under. Set the date and time manually and adjust the date and time. Don't forget to check your time zone below to make sure it's correct. And that's it. 4 easy ways to change the date and how on Windows 10. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.